Want to know how to make your CVT transmission last over 200,000 miles? You're in the right place. Welcome, and buckle up as I dive into the top 8 preventative maintenance tips that will help extend the life of your CVT transmission. These are tips that have been gathered from years of experience and tried and true practices. Up, I have a simple but essential step: the drain and fluid change. This should be performed every 30,000 miles. Stick to the factory-specified fluid, as aftermarket fluids can exacerbate slippage issues. This is a case where the manufacturer really does know best. The second tip involves a monthly visual inspection of the fluid level using the dipstick. Aim for the full line on a warmed-up engine. Too little fluid can lead to belt slippage, while too much can cause churning and oxidation. It's a delicate balance, but one that's crucial for optimal performance. Now, if you're someone who frequently tows loads over 2,000 pounds, tip 3 will be of particular interest. Installing an aftermarket CVT transmission cooler can help manage the extra heat and prevent fluid and belt breakdown over high mileages. It's a small investment that can save you from a world of trouble down the line. My fourth tip is all about smooth driving. Avoid aggressive throttle changes and ease gently into accelerations and braking. The pulleys on your CVT have limits on how quickly they can adjust ratios without undue force. Keep this in mind and your CVT will thank you. That's it for the first half of my guide. Remember, a little consideration for your CVT transmission can go a long way. Stay tuned for the next 4 tips and some bonus advice that will help you get the most out of your vehicle. Continuing from where we left off, let's delve into more ways to make your CVT transmission last longer. Number 5 on our list is to use cruise control whenever possible. This keeps engine RPMs low and takes full advantage of the CVT's ability to keep ratio changes within an optimal range. Moving on to number 6, it's essential to address leaks, faulty sensors, worn-out spark plugs, and other engine issues as soon as they arise. Remember, a poorly running motor can put unnecessary strain on your transmission. Pay particular attention to oil leaks. Contaminated fluid can cause serious damage to seals over time. Our 7th tip is not to ignore flashing dashboard lights or strange noises coming from your transmission. These could be early indicators of CVT failure. Common signs include grinding, whining, and shuddering sensations, as well as error codes. Don't take these lightly. Get them inspected immediately. Now, if you frequently drive in extremely hot or cold climates, you might want to consider our 8th tip. In such conditions, lubrication fluids degrade faster, so consider a drain and fill every 15,000 miles to keep your CVT in top shape. Now, onto the bonus tips. Adding items like transmission coolers and magnetic drain plugs can significantly extend your CVT's lifespan. The coolers help manage heat, while the magnetic plugs catch metal particles that could potentially damage your transmission. Another handy tool is an OBD monitoring plug. This little device can help you keep a close eye on your transmission's performance and catch any issues before they become major problems. And last, but by no means least, don't hesitate to replace your vehicle's battery after the 4 to 5 year mark. Inconsistent voltage can put a strain on your transmission's electronics, leading to premature wear and tear. And there you have it, the top 8 preventative steps plus bonus tips to get over 200,000 miles from your CVT transmission. Any other CVT questions? Feel free to ask. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. It all boils down to regular maintenance like changing and monitoring the fluid levels, gentle driving habits like avoiding aggressive throttle changes, and swift attention to potential issues like leaks and sensor problems. Don't forget the bonus tips too, like installing transmission coolers and replacing your battery timely. These simple steps can help you clock over 200,000 miles on your CVT transmission. Remember, taking care of your CVT transmission can help it last over 200,000 miles. Until next time, drive safe.